Ibo naghanap ka papasahan, looking for a play. Easy lang daw. Ayan na, attacking the basket, pass to Bakal. Pero out, oy, muntik ka na. Sahi tayo din.
Sa kamambon nito.
Lord, ngayon may hawak ng bola. Pupunta sa kanan, nag-lay up, 200 late, wala. Nakuha pa rin yung bola, pero nagpunta na sana. Nakatagba ni Flores Dot. Bola ng UDPT. Score update, 14-7, third place na pong laban. Sabig na din. Number 5. Number 5. Pass to Luna. Luna nag-press, downtown, sobra, wala. Pero may out of bounds tayo doon si Flores.
And to shoot!
Hindi pala. Ayun na, number 14, nag-side step. Naku, foul kick. Bakal yun, 2 points. Bakal, oh. Punti ka na yun. Puntaw na, number 25. Number 2, Flores. Nag-spin move, wala. Ibang Doribo, 2-1. At ang dadali yung Doribo, 3 sila doon. Oh, sinasa sa kaliwa. Bakal, Tuyuna, counter zone sa bandang tiga. Number 9 ngayon yung bola, 40 seconds remaining. Number 9, attacking the basket. Kabanda, wala, sobra. Pero may out of bounds. Keeping in the line si, ano yun, number 0.
33 seconds!
33 seconds remaining, sir.
15 to shoot!
15 to shoot. Ibrada to number 10, nag-lotus, counted, sir.
Shot lock up!
Shot clock off, 20 seconds remaining. Sino yung madaling si number 5? Si Mr. Nas, Pinto. Pinasa sa ilalim, pero ayun, intercepted there. Pero paano yun out, put bounce ang hostage.
10 seconds!
Ayun na, knockout play. Uy, nag-turn around sa eraser. Maganda yun, play na yun.
Right!
1-0. Okay, end of first quarter. Visit tayo sa second quarter. Update score, 29 ang score. Dalawang points lang.
Ano yun? Live?
Ha?
Live sa Facebook?
Balik ko yan.
Baligyan natin.
Oo.
Oo.
Balik ka. Tag Wonderham.
Ay, kanya na. Live yan sa Facebook?
Dili, dili. Si Andres na mag-edit.
Ay, pasok!
Video.
Kuha si Andres na mag-edit.
Alright, back to the ball game. Second quarter. Again, score update, 20 and 9. Lamang ko ang UP Safety. Ayun na. Second quarter na.
Papano, kala city ba? 7:34 ba? Ay, bola! White ball!
White ball, hoopers ang bola, hoopers. White ball, sir. White ball mga sir. Flores number 2, naghahanap. Uy, dinira na ulit ni Flores for 3, wala sir. Number 2, rebound. Pero nakagaw ni number 0. Huwag mo madali sa basket. Niliyap, number 10, wala pa rin. Na-rebound ni number 8. Rebound again niya, putback. Pass to number 10, side step. May kasamang foul sir. Eight foul. Number 9. First team foul for second quarter. Second personal foul, number 9. Free throw tayo dyan, number 10. Wala sir. Second, wala. Second throw. Wala pa rin, short pa rin. Rebound. Ano yung two zone? Oh, ano? Tipping of the line. Sa free throw. Alright, bola ngayon ng UBJP. 20 jump shot. Wala, sir. Rebound by Hasnin. Hasnin to number 10. Number 10, Lopez move. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin niya pero out of bounds. Hopeless yung bola ngayon. Flores ngayon. Yung bola. Naghahanap ng option si Flores. Flores to Pinlock. Ayun na si Pinlock. Pinasok na. Pero agad. Pero advance ngayon si number 10. Nalakas naman yung pasa, sir. Out of bounds agad. Okay, bola na yan, oh. Bola ng Hopus. Flores, leading the ball, leading yung crowd, attacking the basket, pass to Ibrada, Ibrada, struggling to recover the ball, Pinlock is there, Pinlock jump shot, wala. Nakuha ulit ni Pinlock. Pinlock has the ball right now, looking for his opinion, attacking the basket, pass to number 9, low post, body shot, wala, sir, pero may foul yun. Number 9 will go to the line for 2. Ayun, go. Unang tira, counted. Yes, second throw. Wala, short. Rebound by Midal. Midal ngayon ang hawak ng bola. Foul yun.
Bola. First, second, foul. Ay lalo, rebound mo. Nakuha. Pinord mo doon sa ball sa kalaban.
Okay, number 8. Number 8, looking for his teammate. Drive to the basket, jump shot. Wala. Rebound by number 9 ng Oin. Nag-meeting sila dalawa. Pinlock, goes over to the left. Hectic na mga gawad. Pinlock attacking the basket. Diniretso kinaliwa, wala. Shorter. Nandun pa rin si Pinlock. Atin sa Rivers Liat, wala. Kaso Ibrada, Ibrada to jump shot. Wala pa rin sir. Rebound by number 9. Put back. Uy, malakas sir. Pero nakuha ni number 10. Sino ang out of bounds? Same ball tayo doon. Pinlock ngayon ang bola. Ibrada, pass to Pinlock again. Pinlock sa trace. May kamayan sir. Nako, short. Wala, kulang sa vitamins. Ayun, nag-sidestep si Hasnin. Buti ka na rin sir. Rebound by Ibrada to Pinlock. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to number 9. Number 9 has the ball right now. Attacking the basket. Ayan na. Nag-sidestep. Pinaliwa. Wala rin sir. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Nagmamadali sa basket. Pass to number 2. Nag-spin move. Pabandang tira. Counter dun sir. 22-10. 12 points ang lamang po. Ibrada ngayon ng point guard. Hanap ng play. And this is Flores. Flores to over to the right. Nag-jump shot bigla. Counted na yun. Doon na nagana yung mga play mo, Flores. Uy, nakagaw ni Pinlock. Ang ganda nakagaw nun. Ano ba yung decision ni Pinlock? Ayun, pass number 9. Number 9 attacking the basket to the left again. Yun, counted. Alahoy na tira yun. 14-22 in favor of UBJP. Number 20. Oh, side step. Wala sir. Out of bounds. Bola ng Hoopers.
Ulat talaga niya. Ulat talaga.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds for second quarter. Ibrada, point guard ngayon. Looking for, ayun, well pass by number 10. Number 10 attacking the basket. May kasamang body contact yun, pero wala. Nandun si Hasnin. Hasnin nagmamadali, nili-up, easy layup, walk in the park, sir. Number, Pinlock ngayon, Ibrada nagmamadali, number 9. Visitation the basket. Spin move sa kanan, pass to number 10. Number 10, low post, wala on the baseline sana yun. Pero may kasamang foul.
Second team foul.
Number 10 will go to the line for 2 throw. First throw, counted. Second throw, number 10. Dah, nagbitawan siya.